Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to download Invoice report as a zip file based on your configured directory path. So let's see about that, how it works. You can see here this module, the PDF invoice as a zip. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to user, and we have this option, allow to download invoice report as a zip file. So first allow this option, let's say use. Now go to Invoicing tab and insert the settings. You can easily configure here this where you download this invoice zip file. So here I want this. And split by here too. Let's see. But first of all, let's take here this. Insert this invoicing folder. No available here with any downloaded zip file. So I will go to your app. Go to use this customer invoice. And here I want this to go to this action menu and provided here this option download PDF report. Now I download without selecting these two options. Now let's check here inside the invoicing folder. And see here, your downloaded zip file is 1, and inside this zip file contain available total 2 PDF report because I already said split by total 2, and you can easily open it. Again go to your invoicing tab, and again I want to this download. Go to this action menu and now select here this option. Now if you want to select this or download here on the screen directly from this here, then easily select this option and now download this. But see here display invalidation error because your selected invoice is already downloaded as a zip file, so you need to select here another invoice. So here I want this 3 and 4. Now again go to this action menu, click on this PDF report and now easily allow this option. Now download this. And provided here this option directly on screen, it means here. So easily download it. Easily open it and display here in this 2, 3 and 4. And also available here this zip file another. Now again go to the same window and now I select here this invoice 1 and this 2. Again go to this action menu and download PDF report, and now I want to display invoice in only one page. So select here this and now download this. Now let's check and display here your invoice is created or downloaded here this one, and only download here one zip file and one zip file in available only one content as a PDF report. One report per your selected invoices 2, so display here in one page in total 2. It means one PDF file in available total 2 your selected invoice. And we have these two options, report downloaded and report not downloaded, so you can easily check here that which report is downloaded and which report is not downloaded. And see here, total 8 report is already downloaded. So using the server app, you can easily download Invoice PDF report as a zip file with different way, like directly on the screen in one page and split by using load needed, means 2, 3, etc. So if you found this helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.